We're going to, yep, and now we're going to
3
Subway.
hours at Ikea and we bought nothing.
Good morning, guys. It's 8:30. And we're doing like another vlog, so it's like 2 vlogs combined, but I'm so tired. And yeah. Guys, it's 10:56. You can see it. And I haven't even gotten dressed yet. I'm not even ready for the day yet. So I think I'm gonna shower and then I'm gonna get ready for the day. Alright guys, I finally got ready. It took me, hey Alexa, what time is it?
It's 11:38 a.m.
It took me 38 minutes. But that's like with everything. So let me just show you what I'm wearing. Okay, so I'm wearing this red Brandy Melville like sweater top, these black leggings and checkered Vans. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some breakfast. Yeah? Anna's been rude to you?
Yeah.
Tell me about it. What'd she do? She's just being rude?
Yeah.
Interesting.
So, I'm gonna clean up the room because it's kind of messy. I show you. There's like blankets and trash and stuff on the floor, and then my robe and my desk is kind of messy too. And then like there's some trash behind that beanbag. So, I'm gonna just clean. So, yeah. It's not gonna take me a long time because it's just a little bit. So let's get cleaning. This is a mess. This is Anna's desk. I'm going to organize this for her and put everything where it needs to go because it is just, yeah, not good. So, yeah.
Okay, this is the first time we're taking the camera out in public. We're going to the Container Store. So, yeah, as
I'm freezing. I'm putting my hands in my pocket. I'm freezing. I don't even need. No,
Anna, who are you talking to?
What is she?
Do I do music?
Hold on, Mom. Come on.
Here we go, the Container Store.
Oh my God. Oh. She's trying to get one of those like
girls,
super
you're gonna
zoom
be in it,
things.
ready?
Oh my God. Great. Why is literally everything at the Container Store way overpriced? Like way overpriced. What? This thing, this little thing, is $3. $3 for that tiny thing. If I don't purchase it. Dad, I don't want to go to.
Who just farted?
Okay.
I think it's Anna.
Not you. Not you.
You wanna go my iPod?
I like Container
Store.
Store. You want to do Primos Mexican? Yeah, I found a perfect chair for this.
For the low price.
Fancy.
It's for Dozy.
Good job.
Oh yes. You wanna go? You wanna go? You wanna go? Who's that?
We don't even know how to get out of here.
Yeah. We're trying to figure it out, but these maps are certainly really helpful.
This is now not going to fit in the car.
Can't fit this long granola bar in our car.
So we're ditching our cart.
Did you bring queso?
You're not buying anything? We spent 3 hours in Ikea and we bought nothing? Exactly! Alright, we just got Subway. We're finally going home! We're finally back home. I changed into this giant sweatshirt and we're about to get our Subway. So, hope you guys like this vlog. Please like and subscribe and see you guys next week. Bye!